Hey guys, it's Will from Lakeshore RV. Check out this 178 BHSK from Wildwood FSX. Huge awning. You could set up your table, have your grill. Still have some storage here. Of course, you have your fridge. This is a lightweight camper under 5,000 pounds, so it's towable by almost any tow vehicle.
All right, ready.
Here I'm sitting on the Murphy bed. Let me show you what it looks like when it's transformed. Check out this bed. And you could also change this dinette into sleeping. And now you have sleeping for guests. This unit comes with double over double bunks. Tons of room in the shower. Turn the light on. Lots of room in the shower. There you go. Make sure you give Will a call, 616-566-0909, or here at the store, 231-788-2040. You can always visit us on lakeshorerv.com. Thanks, guys.